Yeah, great morning, great afternoon, great evening. Welcome back to our today's online class. We are running up at this topic. This is an interesting topic, algebra. We are going to do a recap of what we have learned so far for the week. We started with operation with brackets. So we know that if there's a minus sign before when the brackets are formed, those sign that minus sign will automatically change. If the sign inside the bracket they are positive, they will change to negative. If they are negative, they will change to positive when the brackets are removed. For example, let's simplify 5 bracket open 3y minus y bracket close minus 2 bracket open 4x plus y bracket close. Now, first of all, let us remove the bracket. We say 5 times 3y gives us 15y minus 5 times y gives us 5y minus again. We are done with the right hand side of the bracket. Let's go to the left hand side line. Let's go to the right hand side. 2 times 4x gives us 8x plus 2 times y gives us 2y. Now we have removed the brackets. Let's collect like terms. 15x minus 5y minus 8x plus 2y. When we are collecting like terms, they become 15x minus 8x minus 5y plus 2y. The ones with x will come together, the ones with y, they will go together. So now what do we have? We have 10x minus 8x minus 5y plus 2y. Like we said, 10x minus 8x gives us 2x. Then minus 5y plus 2y gives us 7y. As simple as everything. Let's move further. We also talked about terms involving powers. We have w times w times w times e times e times e times e times e times f times f. That means we have 3 w's, we'll put them in brackets, times 4 e's, we'll put them in brackets, times 2f, we'll put them in bracket. This will become equal to w to the power of 3 means we have 3 w's, e to the power of 4 means we have 4 e's, and f to the power of 2 means we have 2 e's. That is our final full stop for this aspect. Now also we have 8af to the power of 3 times 4g to the power of 4. This one is saying that we have 8 times we have a times we have f times f times f, that's 3f, then times we have 4 times we have g times g times g times g, because the g is to the power of 4. So this will be equal to, first of all, let's collect like terms. We'll collect the numbers first. 8 times 4. We'll put them in a bracket. We open another bracket. We take A. A is only one. A will be in each bracket. Then open another bracket. We take F. F, we have 3 F's. All of them will be in one bracket. Then we open another bracket. We take G. G, therefore. Since there's G to the power of 4, therefore we should put them in one bracket. Then our answer now becomes 8 times 4 is 32. F to the power of 3 and G to the power of 4. That is our final answer. Then we talked about factors in algebra expression. This algebraic expression that has factors. We have done factors and multiples in the class. So let's see how this will go. The first one says 25h to the power of 3, g to the power of 2, all over 30h to the square, y square. This will be equal to, we have 25 times, we have 3h, h because it's to the power of 3, h times h times h, times g to the power of 2, g times g. All divided by, we have 30 down, 30 times h times h, because h to the power of 2, times y because y to the power of 2. Then for the numbers, we look for a common number that can divide the 2 without any remainder. We say 5. 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. That means we are crossing out now to reduce the numbers. Then 30 divided by 5 will give us 6. So what we have here is 5 times h to the power of, h, we have 2h other denominator. The 2h will cross out. The 2h from the numerator, 2h will cross out. So we have 5h and g to the power of 2 all over, then the denominator 6y to the power of 2, because 6 is the only one left here. The h have been crossed out. We have 6 here, then we have 2y. That's why we have 6 and y to the power of 2. But the denominators, the upper one, the numerators, the numbers on top, we have 5. 25 have been crossed out. We have 5 times 1h remaining times 2g. That's why they're g to the power of 2. And that's our final answer. Now the second part of it says, if a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, find the value of a square bc cubed minus ab square. Now 2 square, that means a is 2 and that a is a square. That means 2 square times b is 3. It has no square, so just only 1 3, times c is 4 and c is to the power of 3, 4 cube, minus a is only 1, 2 times b is 3, 3 square. Open your bracket. 2 square is 4 times 3 times 4 cube is 64, bracket close, minus 2 times 3 square is 9, bracket close. 4 times 3 times 64 gives us 728, minus 2 times 9 is 18. 728 minus 18 gives us 710. As simple as anything. So right from this, let's see what we can be able to do as our evaluation questions. Simplify 4 bracket open b minus 2c bracket close plus 2 bracket open b plus c bracket close. The second one says 6u minus half v minus 3 over 4 v. The third one says 6c cubed plus 2c cubed minus 5c cubed. The fourth one says 6g square minus g square minus 4g square. The fifth one says 2a square plus 5a square minus 4a square. While the sixth one says if p is equal to 7, q is equal to 5, r is equal to 3. Find the value of the following. 1. E plus f all in square. 2 says 2e cube minus 3f cube plus g cube. The third one says 4h bracket open e square minus f square bracket close. Do your best. I know you can do it. Thank you. God bless you.